Hello everybody. So today I'm very excited to test the MusicGen music generator. This is pretty much the equivalent of Stable Diffusion but for audio. So I'm gonna run this collab notebook and show you what you will have to do. The link to this will be on the description of the video. So basically this model is created by Facebook. Actually, we had a lot of rumors lately since all the AI era began about a year ago that what we see with the image generation will happen soon to music, and there was a couple of other technologies that came about pretty fast. One of them was Musica that was available through Hugging Face, and it was pretty good, but it didn't gave you any options to write a prompt. But this MusicGen is supposed to be much better because we can write prompts to it, and let's see how good is it for a musician. So the whole idea is basically you will open this what is called a collab notebook, and if you are a registered user you can run this with a runtime, and you see you can select which runtime you are using, better than what I have on my current laptop. But as you see, all it takes is just like clicking the play button one by one and waiting. The first thing that I would like to test with it is just a simple tone. Give it a frequency. We'll see what will happen. So, and we are currently limited to a couple of seconds, but I think if we'll change this, the duration part will change. We can test it. But let's check out the audio that we got from this prompt. So this is totally not a sine tone with this frequency. Test it this way maybe. Okay, let's hear. Okay, so this is not what I was asking for, although it's nice, but it's not what I was looking for. Let's try something else, maybe easier for it, like an let's try something like this. Okay, so this was actually really good. Like, this is tremendously better than the other output we got. So it does have some good qualities. Let's try something like acoustic guitar, sad riff, low tempo. Yeah, this is great. Yeah, I kind of love it. Okay, so let's go on. Let's take some jazz and drum solo with, I don't know, maybe like cowbell and flute. Yeah, let's try this. There was a cowbell there. I didn't really hear the flute. Maybe this will emphasize the flute part. Still, I can't really hear the flute notes. Maybe let's try something else, like good, yeah, like this. Let's try. Wow, that was great. So up until now, I think this is actually really good, and I would totally use ideas that come, or loops that come from here. This can be like really a good addition to my general workflow of music production. Yeah, you see, like this is great. So let's try it another time, but yeah, I want some hardcore rap vocals on this. Let's see what will happen. Well, I really like this. I really like it. Can I download this? I'm sorry, no download, only here. So let's hear it again, because this was really good. Like, we didn't got the strong rap vocals, but who cares? The output was great. Hi-fi synth space solo with shamanic vibes. Okay, let's see what this will bring. Yeah, I must say that I couldn't not notice that it did have like some shamanic vibes. In the last year I got accustomed to writing this kind of prompts to get the best ratio between not typing so much and getting the most out of my prompts. It's totally beautiful. Let's look for a couple of more. So you all can see that like great typing skills are not needed anymore. We can actually continue to create things using the browser autocorrection, and writing poor English will give you quite a bit. So let's hear this pseudo-musical cabaret with full orchestra. Yeah, that's good. Okay, so I changed this, but I didn't run, so it didn't happen. We're still getting 8 seconds. So actually this prompt was created and nobody heard it, so did it exist even? So never mind, let's hear it, this one. Yes, I would buy this record, totally. Like, let's try it again. Yeah, I could take this as a reference and write a full song just out of the small fragment that we heard. That was really inspiring. So actually I can tell you that this is really good. I really enjoy. I don't know how will this influence. Maybe in a couple of months it will be so good that I would totally use only this and forget like playing the real guitar, because this will be much easier and I can make like a couple of albums every week. So as long as I get to say what's going on, who cares who plays it? I guess that it will have a very interesting impact, because I think that anyway, a lot of musicians were selling their souls just to get an audience and to like get more status and money out of their art. And that's not bad, but in this way it's going to be much easier to create things. And in the other hand, I think that most of the audience will be basically overwhelmed with endless artificial music, and I really don't think that people will care so much if a good song was created by someone or it was generated in a similar way to what we saw now. But I really believe that being a musician, like in the way that playing music and hearing all sorts of ideas, it doesn't really matter what instrument you are playing. It can be totally advanced, like this artificial intelligence, or just playing with the guitar. As long as you can be inspired by something that you hear and you can start working on it and get it to a point when you say that you're really accomplished something with it and you're proud of it. It doesn't really matter like how you do it. So because the artificial way is so much easier and faster, I believe that with time it will take a major place in the culture. But let's see, we can never know. Okay, so let's try a little bit of country music with some banjo solo. That wasn't a banjo solo, but hey, we actually saw a couple of pretty good examples, so I guess that if you'll create more detailed prompts, it will be much better. I didn't try something like Metallica style birthday song. No, that was not good. But anyway, I think we get the idea. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I totally enjoyed making it. Please consider subscribing to the channel and liking this video. Goodbye.